I'm Dan Galpin. Welcome back to the Game Show, where we're talking about the Android Game Development Kit, or AGDK for short. The AGDK is a range of tools and libraries to improve both your game developer experience and development workflow. It's there to help when you're developing, optimizing, launching, and iterating post-launch. And when we're talking about libraries, we mean C and C++ libraries that are designed for the way you're working to build and customize your game engine, allowing you to focus on your C and C++ game code and spend less time interfacing with Android's managed code APIs. These libraries include all of the components we've previously released for game development, including frame pacing, performance tuner, and high-performance audio, and we're adding game activity, game text input, and the game controller API. Game activity works much like native activity in the platform, allowing your app to respond to Android lifecycle events from C or C++ code. But since it inherits from app-compat activity, your game can interoperate with Jetpack components and more easily take advantage of new platform features. Because it renders into a surface view, you can easily mix Android UI elements such as web view, map view, and views required by ads, SDKs, and other services. Game text input allows your game to more deeply integrate with software keyboards. You can easily show and hide the software keyboard, get and set the text, and receive notifications when the text is changed. Finally, the Game Controller API provides an interface to physical game controllers, including enumeration, connection, mapping, callbacks on connection, disconnection, extended controller features, and even support for mice. All of the libraries can be added through Gradle dependencies, through pre-builts, and by building from source. If you're developing primarily on Microsoft Windows using Visual Studio, writing C and C++ code, the Android Game Development Extension is designed to meet you where your development is by adding Android as a platform target to Visual Studio. So you can work with your desktop, console, and Android device without having to move to a different toolset and build system. And if you're not in that environment, Android Studio is a great choice with its rich tools, deep Android platform support, and strong support for debugging. It's easy to configure. After installing the extension, head over to your Visual Studio project and add the Android APK template. A toolbar will provide quick access to critical Android tools such as the SDK NDK Manager, the Virtual Device Manager for the emulator, the Device File Manager, Logcat, and Profilers. At launch, we support multiple build setups, including MS Build and Credibuild, as well as integration with Unreal Engine. Integration with the latest version of the SNDBS is coming soon. Most importantly, once the project is set up as an Android target, Android development works like any other Visual Studio target platform. You can build, deploy, and debug. With debugging, you can set breakpoints, step into disassemblies, look at registers, view values within memory blocks, and view concurrency through parallel stacks. And of course, you get access to a searchable, filtered logcat. The extension also provides quick access to the CPU and memory standalone profilers, which support a new UI and support for native memory sampling. The final pillar of the AGDK is optimization, and the Android Performance Tuner is there to help you optimize game performance across all devices at scale. Launched last year with frame rate metrics enhanced by your quality levels and game annotations, it now also covers loading time. We break down loading time into first loads, cold loads, warm loads, and even interlevel loads, and correlate those loading times with user behavior, so you can see some of the business impact those loading times have. And when you need to dig deep into graphics and system performance issues, the Android GPU Inspector, or AGI, is there for you. AGI has been in open beta since last year with a systems profiling mode that plots GPU counters and activity information alongside Android System Trace View to give you a holistic view of GPU, CPU, and system performance. We've added support for new devices and announced that AGI support is required for devices shipping with Android 12. We've also enhanced AGI with GPU memory support, OpenGLES support through Angle, our OpenGLES to Vulkan translation layer, and a new frame profiler. The frame profiler allows you to deep dive into a single frame with timing information breakdowns at the render pass level. It also works as a frame debugger, letting you explore textures, geometry, shaders, render pipelines, and more to let you analyze and better understand what's going on in that frame. So that's the Android Game Development Kit. Helpful C and C++ libraries, improved profilers within Android Studio and standalone, integration with Visual Studio, and optimization tools including an enhanced Android Performance Tuner and Android GPU Inspector. For more information on everything I've covered, check out the Google for Games development sessions, our blog post, and our completely revised Android game development documentation. I'm Dan Galpin for The Game Show. Thank you for your support in continuing to build incredible games. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, stay safe.